Okay, we had snow ice storm, kind of within the last days. This is what's left of it. And this is very heavy, thick snow was building up on the trees, and then I lost a branch here on my tree. This one here, and I think I'm gonna make a guitar out of this. It has this fungus in there that kills all these trees. And I'm ready to cut it up in smaller pieces. Then I have to dry it, and then maybe next year I build a guitar from it. This will be a great video, I think. And it's the tree here. So right now I'm trying out the new D3400 Nikon I bought, or Nikon DSLR with my gimbal. That's the branch where it fell off, broke off. And in the moment I use a different microphone to talk here, but I'm going to switch to the camera microphone only, and the camera is set to all automatic, and then let's see how this works out. Stay. Stay. No, no, no! You didn't stay. I need you to stay. But you're not in the sunlight. I need you in the sun. Come here. Go there. Go over there. Good. Out. Out. Stand. Good. You're still not in the sun. Stay. Stay. Good boy. Very good. No, where are you going? Go to the ball. Go get the ball. Stop. Sit. No. Sit. Good boy. Down. Down. Nice. Good boy. Who's barking? Squall. Go. Whoa. See, I can't move the camera this quick. The gimbal doesn't allow. Today it's really odd here with the light. If I'm getting too close to the dog, then my shadow is in the way. Just for the heck of it. See my shadow here? You can see how stable the gimbal is. I need to charge the batteries for the gimbal. Well, let's see how good the slow motion on this is. Oh, I just can't move so quick. Let's try this. Come here, come. Come on. Over here. There. Out. Out! Stay. Sit. Stay. Don't move. There we go. So we're going to try the slow motion on this camera. Nice. And I tell you what, this thing is heavy. That's the problem with the gimbal. Go. Walk. Walk. Yes. Good boy. Whoa, that's where he took a shit. There it is. The display is not bright enough for the bright sun. And the sun is not that bright. I have to be careful when I run around in the morning that I don't step in dog poop. Alright, so that is it. As a good quick test this morning.